Hey guys, we're just gonna do a quick unboxing, so let's get started. And that's it. I actually thought this would come in a different type of package, but they literally just sent you three sets of 4, which makes it 12. So this is the 12 pack. I actually thought it would be a 12 pack, like a legit 12 pack, but they actually send you 4 of these. Now let's take a look at these. Now, why would you guys want to look at this video? Well, I'm guessing you want to look at what the packaging has, because after all, this is just an unboxing. So let me just show you right around the packaging. If you want my opinion about this, I do have a different video, which is a review. But all I can tell you is that I love these batteries. I had them since I was doing photography, and they were the best. Like, there was no other way, no other battery that was as good as this one. So I really like them. I do like the fact that they last a long time, and they are powerful enough. So if you guys are doing photography, you need something powerful. For sure, these are the batteries that you need. But yeah, I can't really show you that much about this because there's not much to it. I'm just going to take out the batteries so you guys can see them. So here they are. You might be watching this just in case you ordered some and you're not sure if they're legit, because there are fake ones out there. And I bought these directly from Costco to make sure they're legit, because I've seen some sketchy stuff. Even on Amazon, there's some sketchy stuff. So let me just show you all the way around the battery. That way you will know. Now, some people have said if it doesn't say made in Japan, they're the fake ones. Now, I don't know that for sure, but in all the ones that I've bought, they always say made in Japan. So maybe there's something to that. Other than that, that would be it for this video. There's not much more to show you guys. And that's it. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.